Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. We are on lesson 2 for our module 6. This is your application problem for today. What I want you to do is we will read this together. I want you to then pause the video, try and do this on your own, and then unpause the video when you are all done to see if you got the correct answer. So here we go. We're going to read. The picture shows an intersection in Stony Brook Village. The town wants to construct 2 new roads, Elm Street and King Street. So I have 2 new roads, Elm Street and King Street. Okay, that to me is important. So here we go. Elm Street is going to intersect Lower Sheep Pasture Road, which is this one. Lower Sheep Pasture Road, and run parallel to Main Street. So it has to intersect this street, Lower Sheep Pasture, and it also has to run parallel to Main Street. Okay? If I kept my street here, it does not intersect that Lower Sheep Pasture Street. Okay, so it says Elm Street will intersect Lower Sheep Pasture Road, run parallel to Main Street, so we got those 2, and be perpendicular to Stony Brook Road. Stony Brook Road. So you have to think about, what does perpendicular mean? What does perpendicular mean? So here we go. If this is my road, Elm Street, what I would do is I would take my line, okay, and here is my new Elm Street. So Elm Street, let's see if it matches everything, you guys. I'm going to erase this. I'm going to label it with an E for Elm Street. So Elm Street, let's go back. It intersects Lower Sheep. Okay, so it intersects Lower Sheep Pasture Road. It is parallel to Main Street, and it is perpendicular to Stony Brook Road. So that pink one there is Elm Street. So Elm Street is going to be pink. Now I'm going to change to green, and let's talk about King Street. King Street will be perpendicular to Main Street, so that means it's going to run the opposite direction. So perpendicular is going to go this way. Okay. Up and down, vertical. So King Street will be perpendicular to Main Street and begin at the intersection of Upper Sheep Pasture Road and East Main Street. So we're going to move this because it's going to start at the intersection of these 2 roads, Upper Sheep Pasture and East Main. So the green line is going to be King Street. So I'm labeling it with a K for King Street. All right. So this application problem today is to prepare you for today's discussions when we talk about parallel and perpendicular lines. So in today's lesson, Module 6, Lesson 2, the concept development, we are going to discuss parallel and perpendicular lines. So hopefully, now that you understand and have practiced a little bit more with parallel and perpendicular, this is going to help expedite your sketches that you will make today.